Buckle up, everyone. This case has layers of drama, legal complexity, and a few jaw-dropping twists along the way. Today, we're diving into State versus Miguel Angel Ramirez Galvan, where a serious felony charge takes a surprising turn mid. We've got courtroom tension, last-minute plea deals, and a powerful closing statement from the judge that might leave you speechless. Watch closely because this isn't just about legal procedure. It's about second chances, tough truths, and the real consequences behind every decision made in that courtroom.
And are you Mr. Galvan?
Yes.
All right, we have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you may lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Yes. Jacqueline Payan.
All right. Mr. Galvan, all of the records that I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those explained to you in Spanish?
Yes.
All right, so I know that in Spanish, the little Spanish I do know, I know that yes is in English, and I know in Spanish it's sí. Am I incorrect?
Correct.
So either we're going to use the interpreter or we're not going to use the interpreter. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do, Judge.
And do you speak it fluently?
I do, Judge.
And were you able to explain these documents to your client in Spanish?
I will do that.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Are there any applications in this case?
No, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Galvan, have you reviewed the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
All right, so you're gonna have to wait till the interpreter interprets before you answer. Understand?
Yes.
All right, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state moves to proceed on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, PG 1 less than 1 gram.
Any objection?
No, Judge.
Yes.
Did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Court is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less.
Okay, let's break this down because what just happened was huge. The state decided to drop the original felony charge and move forward with a lesser offense of possession under 1 gram, changing the stakes entirely. Now, why does this matter? Well, that reduction could mean the difference between years in state prison versus a shorter sentence in county jail. It also signals that the prosecution likely weighed the evidence and thought this was the most reasonable path forward. Quick question for you. Do you think this was the right call, or should the state have pushed for the full charge? Drop your thoughts in the comments, because the debate on plea deals is always heated.
In 1 gram, that's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Galvan, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or place you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Did you understand if you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into this plea, you could be deported, denied naturalization, and denied re-entry into the United States?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. They're asking that your punishment be assessed at an $800 fine, 149 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244, taking consideration 2025 PF 16342. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Then how do you plead to the less included offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram?
Guilty.
State, any evidence?
State offers states 1 and attachments.
No objection, Judge.
State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea, the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge. Just pre-version.
All right, as previously stated, the court will find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 149 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. Taking consideration 2025 PF 16342, and the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right,
And there you have it. The court sentenced Miguel Galvan to 149 days in county jail with an $800 fine, credit for time served, and a stern warning about the dangers of drug use straight from the judge himself. This wasn't just a legal proceeding. It was a reality check about where these choices can lead, from a felony charge to a reduced plea and a heartfelt lecture. This case shows how the justice system balances punishment with the possibility of rehabilitation. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns. We've got plenty more cases to dissect, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.